Ridgely North, and it is a beautiful day. It is breezy, the wind is blowing, and the sun is out, and I'm going to invite you to come take a look at this house. We're at 6336 Malvey Avenue. The home was built in 1942, and we're in Ridgely North Edition. So come on in. As you walk up, you have a great view of this covered porch. And you come right into formal living / dining. You could make this space whatever you want. It's got a wood-burning fireplace. The room has crown molding and wainscoting throughout. Hardwood floors. And the owners have just recently done an addition, had pulled up carpet and did the hardwood floors in the kitchen and living over there. As you come into the kitchen, you have tile, the large tile floors, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, very open feel and large bar. Several of the cabinets have the glass inserts, which is great for displaying various different colored pottery or glassware. Off of the kitchen, we have the laundry room. It has a great cabinet on top of it and a little built-in desk. They're using it for a little sewing area as well. Lots of storage in there. And the pantry is also located in the laundry room. Eat-in dining area with lots of windows that open up to the backyard. Great for viewing kids playing out there. So now we're in the living room. You have a built-in entertainment area with lots of storage, glass cabinets at the top, and you also have a built-in wet bar as well. Great area for entertaining and having, stuff set out for people, and just a large open area. So the master's at the back of the house, which is great for noise and just being back away from the street. You have an ensuite bathroom. Walk-in closet is separate from the bathroom. This is the only room that has carpet back here, and then there's one bedroom in the front that has carpet. Everywhere else is hardwood floors. For a 1942 home, it has a lot of storage. All right, now we're going to take a look at the master bathroom. It has granite countertops, kind of a dresser style cabinetry in here, a large jetted tub with a separate shower and toilet area. All right, so I'm back at the front of the house. As we entered, this room is to the left, so it is facing the street. It's at the front of the house, lots of great bright windows. And here's the closet for this bedroom. Now let's go see the other 3 bedrooms. So one of the things I love about this home is that even though it's a 1942 home, it has 4 bedrooms. That is really unusual for this area. Lots of space for a growing family. And the bedrooms are split 3 different ways. So we saw the first bedroom up front. Now we have 2 other bedrooms off to the right as we enter the house. Come on, take a look. These 2 bedrooms share one bathroom right here. It's a shower tub combo. It has a linen closet inside. And I love the black and white vintage tile. Right off of the bathroom, you'll find the second bedroom over here. It has windows that look out to the side yard, and there's actually a small deck out there. So great views of the backyard and deck area. Wonderful crown molding in this room. So we're in the hallway between the 2 bedrooms and the bathroom. Look at the features of this custom wall treatment. A lot of people would like this. It's great. So here's the hallway closet. It's like a coat closet. It's got a little shelf above, and it's quite deep. All right, now we're going to continue on to the last bedroom. This bedroom is at the front right of the home and also has a lot of windows in the room. And what I love about this room is these 2 double windows look out onto a deck that's on the side of the home. This might be a great spot to put in some French doors, maybe have an office that leads out to the deck. Lots of possibilities for this room. And this room also has shiplap on the walls and a lot of great storage in the closet. This one has a custom closet system and plenty of room for extra storage. All right, we're in the backyard, which features a 2-car garage with a breezeway straight into the house, and it is covered area. We also have an electronic gate behind us, so it keeps pets and kids secure back in the yard. And we have a little stone walkway that goes around the side for an extra play area. Come take a look. So now we're at the very back of the yard, behind the garage. And this is a little pathway that goes to the side yard and wraps around behind the garage and leads to the little raised deck area. So come take a look. So we're in the side yard that wraps around behind the garage. This would be a great location for a fort, maybe a kid's play area, or just an area for pets. Towards the back, which is actually closer to the front of the home, is a raised wooden deck with a fire pit. Now we're at the side yard deck. It is a wooden deck that's raised up. These are the 2 front rooms that we saw earlier. This is the location that I thought would be great for a French door to have straight access out off of that room. There's lots of seating, a fire pit, and lots of shade as well. So now you've seen the inside of the home, you've seen the outside of the home, the great features that this home has. Let's do a quick recap of everything we've seen. Okay, quick recap of this home. We're in Ridgely North at 6336 Malvey Avenue. We're located between I-30 and Camp Bowie. Great location for shopping, restaurants. There's a park within walking distance. All of these streets are beautifully lined with trees and shade. Great for a beginning family or a full family, or maybe somebody who just wants to move into a home that doesn't need a lot of work. This home has 2,015 square feet. Again, it is 4 bedrooms, 2 baths, and is priced at $379,000.